I cook my porridge. Plantain is already, oil is already inside. The smoked pork meat is inside. Guys, we put stage by stage. This is how I put the pork meat before everything, the fire starts boiling the pot. Guys, unripe plantain, if you porridge them, it's good. It's very sweet. I'm adding water because I saw that before the plantain will be ready, it will dry, the sauce will dry off. So I have to add water and cover it. Now I was fixing my smoked catfish. This one will be the last thing to enter after vegetable because you will be turning it, it will scatter. So this is the plantain. When I put the oil, I want me the red as they chop the plantain. I say the red inside, and they put now I don't wash the smoke pork. They put on it. Guys, they like say it mean a dry meat. They sweet. Better one. They hear this. If you get the scent and when you cook the chop, somebody's coming from your stairs. You'll be saying, I will go and take that food. I'll go and knock that door. My neighbor don't can knock door. Say, child, now wait till they cook like this. It smell good too. They send the Bible
one will be last because if you turn them,
nah, they do like
this scatter for
now the fish, I remove the bone and the bone is everything we consume bone and I don't put warm water for the dry fish.
They are coming, eh?
Hey, this one.
Baby, they find people. They cook.
Just they remove. They
Don't
remove the
chop
bone
them.
because children to go chop. Even me and myself, I feel chop bone fish.
They move the bonies and the bony bone. Guys, this is
everything we consume
catfish.
so that when they chop the dry fish.
Dry fish. Yes, sir.
Then you know now bitter leaf.
Remove the bone.
Wash the bitter leaf.
They already soak the bitter leaf. When you wash them, when you chop the pork plantain, you go hear the pepper juice. You go hear the bitter leaf.
You drink water. If you put that food, only small food if you go drink water. Tell you no man drink water. I say I love you. Thank you for watching. You can do it the same thing. Porridge your own plantain. Even yam you can do it the same like this. Kiroko when a country onions could be there. That's how they taste the bitter.
That was my bitter leaf. Guys, hey, my people, I beg.
The aroma is too much.